I'm Ciampo. Welcome to this segment of Training Minutes. Today we're going to talk about one specific tool, the Lockbreaker. Some people call it the duckbill. Basically a piece of steel that's beveled on one edge, and what we do with it is we put it into a padlock to snap the lock. How you insert this tool, okay? You're going to pick up the lock and you're going to put it straight down in. One firefighter will stand in this position and the other firefighter is going to strike the back of the duckbill right here. It's a very important part about this tool that some guys don't know about, and that is we don't want to put the tool in this position. What that does is it puts pressure on the toe and the heel of the padlock, and what it's doing is it's just pushing it out. We have to ensure that it goes in right in this position to strike it down to blow the lower part of the assembly off the lock. One of the things about the duckbill, okay, over time you're going to get burrs on each edge. Take a grinder or a file, keep the tip a little bit sharp. Anything that we have burred here is going to prevent and cause friction as it goes through the lock. Also, over time, when you strike this tool like the back of the axe, the steel is going to roll on you. It's going to get metal fatigue. If you don't grind that off, when you're hitting it and striking it with another tool, those little fragments can become flying projectiles and cause an injury to somebody's face. When we work with this tool, we have to remember, just don't look at the lock and say, I have to attack the lock. We want to size up the whole picture, okay? It's a pretty heavy duty lock, right? But the cheapest part of this hasp may be back here, past the attachment points. What we're going to do is we're going to have them put the duckbill here, and we're going to try to blow this part away right here, the little cheap hinge. So we'll demonstrate that now. You can notice after a few quick strikes, they were able to blow this pin right away. Why attack this heavy duty lock when it was real cheap metal at this end of the hasp? We're going to have another example of attacking this. This time we're going to put the duckbill closer to the lock and see if we can pull this apart. That time we were real fortunate. We were able to pull the screws right out of the door with just a couple quick blows. I'm Ciampo. Thanks for watching this segment of Training Minutes. And I'd like to thank our sponsor, American Military University.